Hello and welcome to 90.8 VIT Community Radio. I'm your host RJ Vaibhavi. Today we are talking about something important, something that affects millions around the world but isn't always talked about openly, epilepsy. So November 17th is National Epilepsy Day, a day dedicated to raising awareness and encouraging better care and support for those who live with this condition. You might be surprised to learn that epilepsy is more common than you think. In fact, it's one of the most common neurological disorders, affecting around 1 in 100 people globally. But despite how many people are impacted, there's still a lot of misunderstanding and stigma surrounding epilepsy. So let's break it down and understand why awareness and support are so crucial. Epilepsy is a neurological disorder that causes recurring seizures. These seizures happen because of sudden electrical disturbances in the brain. You might think of seizures as the kind you see in movies, people shaking uncontrollably. But in reality, seizures come in all forms. Some may involve a brief blank stare, while others could cause loss of consciousness or convulsions. The key thing to remember is that people with epilepsy experience these seizures in different ways, and each person's experience is unique. Now here's the thing. Epilepsy is treatable. There are medications that help control seizures, and in some cases, surgery or lifestyle can make significant difference. But what's often the biggest challenge isn't just the condition itself, it's the lack of awareness and the stigma. Many people don't know how to respond when they see someone having a seizure, and that fear can make those with epilepsy feel isolated or misunderstood. Not just that, epilepsy also affects more than just the person. It affects their families, friends, and even their education and career. For many students living with epilepsy, the fear of seizure in class or on the job can be overwhelming. But this is where we step up. As a community, we can make colleges more inclusive by advocating for better resources, like more accessible medical support and safer campus environments. Also, if you see someone having an epileptic seizure, stay calm and move any dangerous objects out of their way. Gently turn them to their side to keep their airway clear and time the seizure. Call for medical help if it lasts over 5 minutes. Also, avoid holding them down or putting anything in their mouth. Stay with them until they are fully alert, offering comfort and reassurance as they recover. So on this National Epilepsy Day, take a moment to think about how you can make a difference. Whether it's learning more, spreading awareness, or advocating for change, remember, you have the power to create a more understanding and supporting world. Let's make this day count by making a real impact. Thank you for tuning in to 90.8 VIT Community Radio with me, RJ Vaibhavi. And remember, knowledge is power. Let's use it to make a difference. Thank you.